Hi guys, this is Jen from Jen's Corner. I don't know if I accidentally got it stopped for some reason. So we're doing a review again on Universal Yums again. This is like the fourth one for Poland, from Poland. And I did pretzels, some kind of pretzels. And they're supposed to be cream flavored. They taste a little creamy, but not that much. And then I tasted Monster Munch Crispy Potato Snack Original, and these were really good. They taste like some kind of chip. They're like really light. They're really good. They were really good. And then this one was gummies, fruity kind. And they have banana, watermelon, fig, lemongrass, melon, and then some other flavor. The last time I tried it, just a little bit ago, I think that was the one I couldn't pronounce. But let's try and see if I can get the banana. Now it's fig. It's pretty good. Oh, this is the banana. That's good. Okay. On to the next one. It's a gingerbread bar with lime flavor filling coated with white chocolate. I don't know. It kind of seems like it's going to be crumbly, but we'll see. Plus, I'm not really into lime that much, but we'll see. Kind of like a regular bar. Oh my. I can taste the gingerbread and the lime. Oh my gosh. This is actually okay. I'm not a big gingerbread fan either. It's pretty good. But I don't think I'll eat it all. But it's good. It's very light. Very fluffy. It's good. And then we'll taste a peanut butter. A lot of it is in different language, so it's a peanut butter. Peanut butter. It looks like chocolate, and it has. We'll see what else it has in it. But it looks like a candy bar. Oh my goodness. I don't know if I can get it in here. I had to pause that for a second because I couldn't open it up. I had to find some scissors. But yeah, it looks like chocolate. It's okay. I'm not that big of a peanut butter chocolate fan. If I had peanut butter and chocolate, it would be like Reese's. That's the only kind of peanut butter chocolate I like. But I might give this to my mother because she likes peanut butter chocolate. But that was good. That was good, though. Okay, last one. Two different types of candies. We'll try milk fudge. Little cute. See. I don't know if I'll like it because I'm not a big fudge fan. But we'll try it. If I can get the wrapping open. Nope. Just like I said, I'm not into fudge. Don't really like it. Okay. Then the last one is, oh geez, I don't even know. I don't even know. But we will give it a try. Looks like a mint. Some kind of mint. Oh! Oh! Let me just chew on it. It's really hard. Minty, or pepperminty, and I don't know what else. There's some kind of nutty taste to it. It's not as good as I was thinking. No. So, there's half of it I love, half of it I don't like, but that's what you get sometimes whenever you get Universal Yums. You don't know if you're gonna like it or not because it's from a different country. So thanks for joining, and I hope you join us on the next Universal Yums. Thanks for joining. I'll see you next time.